on broken glass. Neon lights flicker in their last fight. Whispers haunt me from the past. Shadows chase me, mind's a twisted maze. Voices scream but no one grieves. Empty bottles, empty promises, living on the edge of broken dreams. Echoes in the dark, I hear them call. Lost souls screaming in the night. Running from the pain, we stumble, fall. In the shadows we ignite. Fists clenched tight against the world. Streetlight halos, warriors born. Written, climbing ever in their last fight. Fighting battles weather worn. Silhouettes behind the curtain. Bleeding wounds we can't disguise. In this chaos only certain truth lies hidden in the eyes. Echoes in the dark, I hear them call. Lost souls screaming in the night. Running from the pain, we stumble, fall. In the shadows we ignite. Echoes in the dark, I hear them call. Lost souls screaming in the night. Running from the pain, we stumble, fall. In the shadows we ignite. Echoes in the dark, I hear them call. Lost souls screaming in the night. Running from the pain, we stumble, fall. In the shadows we ignite. We ignite. Neon lights slashing through the sky. Concrete jungles where the wild things fly. Broken dreams littering the ground. City heartbeat never makes a sound. In the alleys, whispers chase the dark. Shadows dancing, leaving just a mark. Billboards screaming, light